All right, let's talk about Peak DeFi, the first staking in combination with an affiliate system on the Binance Smart Chain. What's that mean? Well, you know how gas fees with Ethereum are really, really high. There was recently a token launched called Energy on the Ethereum blockchain, which is awesome. I love Energy. We'll see where that goes, but they have really put an incredible project together. But the Ethereum gas fees, are really, really high for people to engage with that. So a lot of people with, less to invest with are having trouble. If you only have a few $100s, like you can't even participate. And by the way, guys, I'm not recommending anybody invest in anything that we're talking about. This is the DeFi arena. So it's exciting. I'm reporting on what's going on. I'm participating in a lot of this. A lot of you know, I generate a lot of my Ethereum, 850 Ethereum in 4 months, 4.5 months, with an Ethereum smart contract that's also decentralized. So nobody can do any shenanigans. It works the way it's supposed to work. It pays the way it's supposed to pay. I'm in complete control of what I make, but it's not investment based. And I use that Ethereum, of course, to hang on to some of it because Ethereum keeps going up. As gas prices will eventually go down, that's going to skyrocket. But I also use some of it to invest in other DeFi projects that are investment based. But I don't like to make my Ethereum with just investments. I like that solid income coming in with that smart contract. So if you have questions about how I do that, click the link below. Somebody's going to show you exactly how we're generating Ethereum. So we have the resources to invest in these exciting projects. Okay, so one of these exciting projects is this DeFi project right here, the first ever staking that you can do where you're getting yields, right? You're getting these returns in combination with an affiliate system that pays incredible commissions. And this one goes much bigger and much more expansive on that affiliate system than Energy. But this is on the Binance Smart Chain. So I just did a transaction here with a smart contract on this thing, staking, cost me 18 cents. Did the same thing on the Ethereum network the other day with Energy, cost me like $200, right? So I love Energy, and I do know that eventually the Ethereum gas fees will come way down. In fact, they say in July, a lot of people are saying that the Ethereum network is going to speed up by 100 times, and that makes the gas prices decrease by 100 times. So we want to be on different networks. Right now, Binance Smart Chain is really fast, really effective, and it's perfect for people that just can't afford or don't want to mess around with, that are impatient with dealing with those high gas fees on the Ethereum network. This is a really exciting project. In fact, let me just show you something here really quick. So I staked 10,000 peak today on the Binance Smart Chain. Cost me 18 cents. And now I'm accruing, look at this, every second I'm accruing more peak. So for those that don't understand DeFi, this is where it's all at, guys. Super exciting, where it's the DeFi stands for decentralization of finance. And so there's all these new concepts being created that allow people to get returns. You know how the bank used to let you, you put money in your savings account and you would actually get some good returns? But now the dollar and fiat currency has been so devalued, and they really don't want to encourage anyone to save their money. They want to encourage people to spend to kind of cover up the fact that the economy is not doing so hot. So they just keep people spending. And so you don't get any rewards for putting your money in a bank account anymore, right? They want people to put it in the stock market. They just want to fuel speculation and stuff. And drive the economy and drive spending. And so banks don't do what they used to do. They used to pay you yields. So this DeFi space, this decentralization of finance, is allowing you to be in control of your finances at all times without a centralized party like a bank that has kind of like control over your funds. You have to get permission to take it out. You don't have to have that permission in the DeFi space. And within it, there are these concepts being developed like Peak DeFi, like Energy, where they're creating sustainable models that allow you to earn yields. And some of them really good yields because it's such an exciting growing market. There's the opportunity for those high yields like banks used to do. And so right here, I staked, they call it staking. I bought some peak. I traded, I got you first. You have to get, well, there's two ways to do this. You can either turn BNB. If you have BNB token, that's an altcoin that's competing with Ethereum in the DeFi space. You can either turn BNB into peak, or you can turn Ethereum into peak. If you're turning BNB into peak, then you have those really low transaction fees. I only paid 18 cents to do this smart contract and stake. because I did it with BNB. If you have Ethereum and you do it on the Ethereum network, you have to pay those high gas fees until Ethereum gets all that fixed, improved, which it's supposed to, but so far it costs 100 or 200, sometimes more to use Ethereum. So I used BNB, turned it into Peak, and then staked my Peak. And now I only staked it for 10 days. If I would have staked it for more days, I'd get a much higher return. You'd see this counting much faster. And I already got some out. I'm going to show you really quick. I just did this a few hours ago. I did it for 10 days. You can see the countdown clock here. So I have 9 days, 13 hours left, then I'll get my principal back. And you can see here 9.451. I've already made like all of this Peak today, and I took it out. And so, and by the way, so you do need to do some things, and we show you how to do them. We're basically, if you connect with us, my team, we're going to help onboard you into the DeFi world. There's so many exciting things going on. So look for the link below this video. One's going to take you to a presentation page with a video that talks about the Peak DeFi project and staking and the significance of it launching in the Binance Smart Chain, and all of this exciting stuff going on there, because that was a historic event. But you're also going to find a link below this video that's going to connect you with somebody like me or somebody on the team that's going to help onboard you, help you learn about the DeFi space, because it's not so easy to navigate on your own. And just finding videos and stuff without guidance is pretty tough, but we can help you onboard pretty quick, help you understand what are the most exciting historic opportunities happening right now that you can get in front of in the DeFi space, and help you deal with technical challenges like how do you get BNB? How do you get BNB into your MetaMask? You got to set this up for the smart chain. You maybe been using if you haven't even used MetaMask, how do you get MetaMask, right? That's actually pretty easy, but a lot of people use it just with Ethereum. But again, those Ethereum gas fees have been really high. So a lot of people are wanting to take advantage of some of these opportunities popping up now on the Binance Smart Chain. You might not really know what you're doing, but we help you with all that. So find the link below this video. One of them is going to show you what's going on with this really historic project, this new DeFi project on the Binance Smart Chain that's referred to as Peak, that's providing me with these incredible returns. But even more exciting, the person that there's a link below this video, reach out to the person who you put this video up, and they can help you get onboarded into this whole world. You know what I mean? Even if you're not ready to invest in anything or do anything, because we're not recommending that. We're not financial advisors. We just want to expose you to what's going on so you can make better decisions, so you can participate if you choose to in the opportunities we are or other ones. We're not recommending anything. We're showing you what we're doing and letting you see what's happening in DeFi, because a lot of people just aren't going to take the time to help you plug in. So, pretty exciting. This is just one of many opportunities that are exciting. Again, like I said, most of the Ethereum I've generated is like income. It's not investment based. It's not risk based. So it's reliable. And if you want to ask us about that too, ask about, how did Mike generate over 800 Ethereum in 3 months, 850 in 4 months without risk, because it's not investment based. What's that all about? And how did our team generate over 12,000 Ethereum at the 3-month mark? That's the last time we counted up what they made. It's more since then. How do they generate so much following the same exact process? Ask the person that you'll find when you click that link below and you reach out to them in Messenger on Facebook. Ask them that and they'll show you. They'll show you exactly how we did that. And then we're taking part of that and we're putting that into investments that us as individuals choose. Again, we're not recommending which ones you invest into. We just want to show you what's going on in these really historic opportunities. This is a really cool one. I'm going to keep you posted on it. I keep making Peak here, and Peak is worth money. If you go to Coin Market Cap, you're going to see this here. It's right now valued at 33 cents. But look at this. It just launched last March. At, what was it, 6 cents about? And now it's taken another spike because they just launched this on the Binance Smart Chain. So you're getting in front of this. At the time of this recording, they just did that the other day. But I'm going to now stake, check this out. I'm going to stake something for 1,000 days next because I'm loving this. And then I get a much higher return. And you can take out what you're making every day. In fact, let's just do that right now. I'm going to have to make this a little smaller so you can see it. I'm going to hit claim rewards. So I'm going to take what I made in the last couple hours. And I know it's not a lot, but I already took it out earlier today. This is the first day. And again, I'm at the lowest amount you can possibly get because I only staked it for 10 days. And then I hit confirm. And then we come up here to my MetaMask and we look at activity and we see it's pending. It's really fast. And it's probably going to end up costing me just like, I don't know, like 18 cents or something. Usually I would wait longer, right? Because this is only, see, it already went through, right? It's not a lot of finagling like when you're dealing with Ethereum right now. And so let's see what it ended up charging me, if I can see it fast enough. 0.000544 BNB. I mean, almost nothing. I don't know what BNB is valued at right now exactly. It's somewhere around 250. So let's just see what that charge was for that transaction. So you could really see like how advantageous this is for those of you who've been doing stuff with Ethereum. So it looks like, if BNB is valued at $250, it's 13 cents what I just did. And let's just go real quick and see what it's valued at. BNB is at 264. So it was probably like 14 cents what I just did. If you did that on the Ethereum blockchain, if you're staking with Ethereum, that would have been like $100 or $200 or something like that. And so I'm able to, so now it's counting up again. Here it goes again. And I'm going to be sleeping and it's counting. It's giving me yields paid to me in peak. And of course, if you look at peak, it's not doing half bad. Last year at 6 cents. Now, and this is a beautiful looking chart for those of you who know technical analysis. Now it's at 33 cents. And a lot of this was, way before the bull market started. So this is impressive, guys. And they just launched just now on, they've been allowing staking on the Ethereum blockchain, but now they just did a first ever with allowing staking that has an affiliate referral model also built into it. I help you guys with the marketing too. Reach out to the person who put this video up. You're going to find their link below and ask them, how can I plug into everything you guys are doing? Because I even let you use my content to build your network, the value that I create. Guys, it's working phenomenally well. If you want to be onboarded into the DeFi space, if you want to learn how we're generating Ethereum with a non-risk, non-investment method so that we can use that to put into exciting projects like this that pay us these yields, where while I'm sleeping, they're still paying. If you want to learn how you can use everything that we're doing to totally empower yourself and just throw yourself into the DeFi space without all the challenge of being on your own, reach out to the person below with their link, and also definitely learn about this project. There's a link below. Watch the video. Take the time to understand the significance of this new DeFi project and how you can start getting yields like this. It is really, really exciting. It's really, really powerful. I'll keep you posted. But in the meantime, learn as much as you can and reach out to the person at their link below to plug into everything that we're doing. I'll see you soon.